Everyone, today's the second day of the 31-day attempt, and I will be revealing my new car, new-ish car. This is my 2022 Veloster N. It is a 6-speed manual. It was already modified when I bought it, and I guess I can go over the modifications. Starting off with the wheels, we have some, I think these are called artisans, if I'm not mistaken, to the raised lug nuts, because I am a fanatic for them. The mirrors came with this weird rain guard thing. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be carbon fiber, but it's like a little faded looking. It also has the mud flaps from Rally Armor, and the exhaust system is a Borla Attack, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if you can see that. Borla. This is what the interior looks like. It's pretty clean. Comes with factory bucket seats. And yes, it is a 6-speed. The previous owner that owned this car added the eyelids to it. It's just like a vinyl wrap that deletes the amber. I left it on because it looks pretty cool. He also left, what's it called? Like almost like canards in this area, but I took it out and this was actually painted, or not paint, like plasti dipped black. So that's supposed to be white. And this was black when I got it. And this upper one is supposed to be like the chrome, or like that color. And they also plasti dipped the logo. The cool thing about the Veloster Ns and the Elantra Ns is that it comes up with like a light up seat logo. A few bolt-ons. It has a Takeda open intake. I don't know if you can see it back there, but it also has a Takeda turbo inlet. And then it is a high flow catted downpipe, and that's why it's so loud. I'll probably put like a cold start clip in for you guys. It has a blow-off valve. It's the, you can't see it, but it's the Go Fast Bits blow-off valve, but it's the Mach 2, so I can't put a trumpet on it, which is what I want to do, and a blow-off valve is like 300 bucks, and I don't feel like spending that much money right now. It was previously tuned on a JB4 off-the-shelf tune, but the owner reverted it back to stock. So my future plans with this car, oh, what is that? That is a Civic. Ooh. Anyway, back to the video. Future plans with this car is probably going to be mid 400, 450 probably. We're gonna go with N75. My black Veloster Turbo is actually tuned by them. They're reliable to me, and yeah. So my goal with this car is 450 with their HT 400 turbo, since it's not worth it to big turbo these cars. I know 450 doesn't seem a lot, but for an inline 4 cylinder from Hyundai, that's a lot. From 275 crank, but I want to make 450 wheel. And to do that, you're going to need like all the bolt-ons plus water meth, and then a really aggressive tune. But for the most part, I'm pretty sure this block can handle it because I've seen other people from like New Mexico or out of the States do it. I think currently the fastest existing Veloster turbo right now is like 480, and that's by lap 3. I was thinking about going through the lap 3 route, but since due to the fact that I live in Hawaii, I don't have a dyno, or like I could probably rent one. Another thing I forgot to add is that it has Wells visors for the rain guard. This is how well the old owner took care of it. It still has the plastic wrap on it. The N logos actually both had the, there's like a protective film over it. He still had those on also. So I took those off. And he had a lot of the protection things on the plastic still for only 8,300 miles. That's the plan for this car. Realistically speaking, 420, 415 with everything, because I'm not putting race gas in this thing. I'm still paying for it, and I don't want it to blow up, even though I know that these motors are well enough capable of 400. But full bolt-on, non-upgraded turbo, I think you peak at like 330, maybe 320, 315, the most, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, this is my new car. I've had it for a month now, and I'll get you guys some cool little shots before I dip out of here.
Yeah. I don't need sleep, I just make music, then I stream again. Run up 40 on these niggas, coach, like, why you leaving me? New Veloster jacket, yeah, the inside is beaverskin. Let them do that talking, I can't ever fucking beef with them. Hate a regular bitch, I swear to God, I cannot be with them. Colors in my dress, like, mom, I promise ain't no fucking shit.